everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll be checking out the Darkland project, of course. And and here we have the trailer about the project on the YouTube channel. You can check that, of course, which is really interesting and impressive, as you can see. And of course, today we will be checking out how to play in that game, the launching of that game, of course, and the information about the project you can find here on today's video. So let's check the project. And you have to know that Darkland Survivals is more than just an NFT idle zombie defense game powered by blockchain technology. Built on BSC, it's a massive open world that comes with a whole new perspective. Aside from play to earn mechanic with a rich story, Darkland Survival offers a superior gaming experience with various gameplay modes and features such as campaign, dungeon, raid mode, construction mode, landlord and more, all of which encourage players to keep playing and exploring. Yeah, and let's move on to the homepage, of course. Here you can Here you can find the homepage, on which you can find, of course, the information about the project, the apps, gameplay, NFT items, team roadmap, partners in the community, of course. And on the left side you have the Facebook, Twitter, Telegram and the Discord. And let's move on here. Here you can find the heroes, of course, as you can see, the gameplay and, of course, defense, dungeon, PvP, arena, defense and more, of course. NFT items, of course, you can check the assault. Most of them come from the army of police. As an ex-soldier, they realize that the lowest level in society has no chance to escape, so they turn against the high class and help poor people in the zombie pandemic. They use rifle guns like AKS-2K, M4X, A5 that can shoot continuously. The good fighters, Angel and Brave. And here you can find also the team, of course, and the advisors, as we can see, and the plans for the future. The last plan for 2023 is mining land resources. Yeah, it's really nice, as we can see. And the partners and investors, for example, the CoinMarketCap, VeggieChains, and more, the Force. And as you can see, a lot of partners. And the links, of course, and the social network, the Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Discord, the news, and a lot of links. So as we can see, it's really huge and nice. Let's check the heroes in that game. So now let's check the information about the heroes. Here on the right side you have the trailer about the heroes, and the hero classes are classified according to the specific weapon class that hero can use. A hero class is able to use weapons of other classes but not as efficiently. And there are currently 5 different classes, namely Assault, Heavy Sniper, Archer and Grenade. Classes have the origins and characteristics based on the historical, cultural and technical traits of specific population at the time of the disaster. A hero has some crucial base stats and traits, and here you have the levels, ranks, skills and the weapons. As you can see, the level 200 max heroes level affects stat stars ranging from 1 to 10. The ranks, as you can see, the skills, each hero has a unique skill and they have at least 200 distinctive skills. And the weapons, of course, a hero will be at his strongest when using his or her most efficient weapons. And of course, about the weapons, you can check the information in the Telegram group, on which you can find the information in this video, maybe, of course. Yeah, and on the right side you can find the, of course, also on the YouTube channel, the Darkland classes introduction, as you can see, of course. So now maybe let's check how to play in that game. And you have to know that there are 2 primary modes in the game, PvE and PvP. PvE, idle mode and campaign mode. Idle mode, at the start of the game, client players will automatically be in the idle mode. There will be a small number of zombies slowly approaching you. Safe house. Your heroes, of course, as you can see, will try to shoot the dead. Defend your territory with their weapons and a barbed wire barriers. Safe house might be damaged when you're not strong enough or you are offline for too long. And the second one, of course, The campaign mode. This is mode your safe house will emit that noise that lures the zombies into attacking your territory. This is where you can face real dangers with chances to claim juicy prizes. Players will have to survive many stages with an increasing difficulty after passing each stage. That means more zombies, strongest waves, or even mutants in next stages will appear to make the players struggle. And as you can see, here you can find the information about the quick hunt, idle mode, of course, and more. And the next stage, which is of course the PvP dungeon, the Hunting Arena, of course, which means that 4 players will engage in a 3-minute zombie battle. Players will be ranked by their stage competition time. Similar to Quick Hunt campaign mode, they have to survive challenging waves of zombies to claim the rewards after the game. Entering Hunting Arena costs players 10 daily as participation fee plus 2 energy. The cumulative participation fees will then be distributed to winners as the rewards for finishing a Hunting Arena match. The remaining offset fees in case of lack of winners will be put back into the reward pool of Quick Hunt mode. And the PvP 1v9, zombies are overwhelming on various lands NFT by spending 2 energy searching for lands, and here you can find also that for lands nearby your position, users could enter the land and fight zombies. In dungeon, fight for land survival will go against 9 others. Who finishes this stage will first win a very valuable NFT land with the amount of resources waiting to be exploited. And in this mode, the different difficulties will yield different land rarity of value. And here at the right side we have the, of course, trailer about the heroes, and you can watch that. And the last, of course, dungeon PvP Arena 1 vs 99 treasure hunt mode. An event will take place in a certain land area where an item box will be placed, and survival will have to spend 2 energy to get a chance to overcome 99 other opponents to win this special NFT treasure. Because the event takes place in a special land area, there will be a certain advantages for the owners of the land, of course. So now let's move on to the IDO announcement, of course, on the Telegram groups. Let's move on to the first Telegram group. Here you can find on the Telegram group Darklands Survival announcement the information about the heroes. So today they will show you a little gameplay of your heroes in action, of course. The second one group is about the announcement, and you have to know that Darklands Survival is pleased to announce that the incoming IDO event will take place on 3 platforms: Crystal Go, Lua Starter, and Mochipad on 24th to 26th March of 2022. And here you can find the information. So today in your game developing progress featured some in your game weapons. Here you can find the information about the weapons, and of course here about the announcement. Mark this day, 24th of March, Lua Starter at 9 p.m, 25th of March, Mochipad Starter at 2 p.m, and 26th of March, Crystal Go at 8 a.m. So get ready for the upcoming ADO to source the valuable big dollars, yeah. And maybe let's know more about the, of course, Lua Starter, Mochipad, and Crystal Go. And now let's know more about the, of course, Crystal Go. The date, of course, is 26th of March, starting time 8 a.m. Token standard, of course, the Binance Smart Chain Network, total supply 2, of course, millions token, total raised 1100 boost. White is, of course, as you can see, yes, and the accept currency, of course. The Lua Starter, 24th of March, starting time, of course, at 9 a.m. Token standard BAP, Binance Smart Chain Network, and of course, as you can see, the Mochipad, 25th of March 2022, starting time at 2 p.m. and of course, as you can see, total supply is 1 million tokens and total raise is 15,000 boost, of course, as you can see, yeah. So we have 3 choices to check the, of course, launching, and of course check the Telegram groups, as we can see, for the newest information and more for you. The Telegram group about the launching, about of course the weapons and the heroes. So I think this is all about that project. Thank you so much for watching that video. Of course, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, and see you soon in Darkland game.